I am Dayan, and today we'll be talking about the increase in processing fees for Canadian immigration. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. Every month, we will be selecting and helping one of you through your immigration journey absolutely free. So once you have subscribed, drop in a comment below. Canada is increasing its immigration processing fees from April 30th, 2020. However, the applications received before that will be processed in accordance with the existing fee structure. These fees would now increase every 2 years. The existing processing fee for the principal applicant is $550, which would get a 50% increase to $825. Similarly, the existing processing fee for the spouse is also $550, which would also get a 50% increase to $825. For each of your child, the existing fee is $150, which would also get a 50% increase to $225. The right of permanent residence fee is currently $490, but it would increase by only $10. For a family of 4, if you manage to apply before April 30th, 2020, your immigration processing fees would turn out to be $2,380. However, if you apply after that, the fees would turn out to be $3,100. Please note that these exclude the fees for biometrics, medicals, etc., and those would be added on top of these. Questions? Feel free to ask in the comments below.